Hello everyone, this is Vinay Kad and today we'll discuss pulley block problems. So let's discuss with this a question. A question is given: two blocks, block 1 with mass 2 kg and block 2 with mass 4 kg are connected by a string of mass 0.5 kg per meter. Now 20 Newton is applied on the 4 kg block towards right side and 2 Newton is applied on the 2 kg block towards left side. Find tension and acceleration of the system. Now the point is, because the string has mass, so tension will not be same at different points on the string. Now because the string has mass, the tension on, let's consider this as a string. Let's consider this is point A, this is point B, and this is point C. The tension of C, B and A are different because of this string has mass. Now if the string is massless, then the tension of all the points on the string is same. Now because of the string which is given, the mass is 0.5 kg per meter and the total length of the string is 6 meters, so the mass of the string is 3 kilogram. Now find tension at the 2 point from the 4 kg block. So this is 2 meter from the 4 kg block. Now consider a whole system. When we consider whole system, then we assume the whole system has common acceleration. Now in this case, let's consider this as a system. This is a system. So towards right, 20 minus 2. 20 is due to greater magnitude and it is towards right side. Minus 2 is equals to mass of this block is 4, mass of string is 3, mass of this block is 2. 3 plus 2 5 plus 4 9. 9 into A, हमने यहाँ पर F is equals to MA. 18 by 9 is equals to 2 meter per second. That is acceleration. Now find tension. The next part is find tension at the 2 meter from the 4 kg block. Now consider this is the 4 kg block from the 2 meter behind. Now consider this is a system. The mass of this string, this part of the string, is 1 kg because given 2 meter and the total length of the string is 6 meter, which has 3 kilogram. Now 2 meter has 1 kilogram. Now the force is applied towards this side is 20 Newton and tension towards this is T. Now because the system is moving to with 2 meter per second acceleration, we consider 20 is greater than T. So 20 minus T is equals to 5 into 2. 5 the mass of the whole system. Consider 4 plus 1 into 2, the acceleration of the whole system. 20 minus t is 10. Now acceleration is 10 Newton. Now the next question is given. The 3 blocks are given. The first block has mass 1 kg. Second block has a mass 2 kg, but these blocks are connected with a string has a mass 0.5 kg per meter and which is of length 2 meters. Then 2 kg and 1 kg block is connected with massless string. Now 40 Newton is applied on the 1 kg block towards right side and 10 Newtons are applied on the 1 kg blocks towards left side. We have to find the tension at the point which is at middle of the 2 meter string. So this is 2 meter string. At the middle of this string we have to find tension. First we have to find acceleration. To find tension, so 40 minus 10 is 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 4 and 5. 5a 30 by 5, which is 6 meter per second square, because string has mass 0.5 kg per meter. So for string of length 2 meter, mass is 1 kg. So from 1 kg, 3 kgs, 1 kg, 4 kgs, 5 kgs. So acceleration is 6 meter per second square. Now for tension, this system is moving towards right side with acceleration 6 meter. So consider this is block 1 kg and at the middle, so 0.5 kgs because length is 1 meter. Now पीछे 10 Newton and acceleration 6 meter per second square towards right side, tension T. So T minus 10 is equals to T minus 10 is equals to mass of this system, which is 1.5 into 6. So T minus 10, 1.5 into 6 is 9. So T is 19 Newton, which is our answer. So our next topic is pulley block system. So a pulley is given which has 2 blocks of mass 2 kg and 4 kg. Consider 4 kg is moving down with A1 acceleration. So because this string I told you before, the points of 2 points on the string have the same acceleration, because if they don't have the same acceleration the string will break. Now this will move upwards with acceleration A1. Now find tension and acceleration. So our common sense is 4 kg is more heavier than 2 kg, so it will go down and 2 kg will rise up. So according to this, 40 minus, now tension is along the string, which is T. 40 minus T is equals to 4A1, and 40 is due to mass of the block and it is 20 10. Second is because it is moving upwards, so t is greater than 20. So second equation is t minus 20 is equals to 2a1. Now by adding these equations, t will get cancelled, so 20 is equals to 6a1. Now answer is 10 by 3 meter per second square, which is acceleration. Now for tension, put acceleration in any one of these two equations. 40 minus t is equals to 40 by 3. So 40 minus 40 by 3 is equals to t. By taking LCM, which is 80 by 3 Newton. Now this is very paper pen method. We have to write equations. There is another method which is oral method and can be done without using pen. It can be done within 5 seconds. The trick is, consider these blocks like 2 kgs and 4 kgs. This was given. Now consider it as horizontal. Consider it as horizontal. 4 kg, 2 kg, 40 Newton, 20 Newton. Consider 40 minus 20 is equals to MA 6A, 20 by 6, that is 10 by 3 meter per second. And to find tension, T, 40 minus T is equals to 4 into 10 minus 3. 40 minus 40 by 3 is equals to T, and T is same as we have written above, which is 80 by 3 Newton, and which is the answer. This vertical system can be considered as, like, you can consider it as 40 is right here and 20 is like here. So 20, 40 minus 20 is 6e, which is 6 is mass of the whole system. So acceleration will be 10 by 3. Now take an example. We have to find orally without using pen and paper. Consider this is 3 kgs and another block is 1 kgs. What is answer? 30 minus 10 is equals to 4a. Acceleration is 5 meter per second. Consider it as horizontal, which is 3 kgs connected by a string with 1 kg block, and here it is 30 Newton, here it is 10 Newton. So 30 minus 10 is mass of whole system 4 into a, 20 by 4, which is 5 meter per second square. Now next question is, find acceleration and tension without using pen and paper. 40 minus 0 is equals to 6a, 40 by 6 meter per second square. Acceleration, because यहाँ तो कोई है नहीं, यहाँ तो 40 है, 40 Newton is applied toward downwards and there is no mg component towards horizontal. for 2 kgs block. So 40 minus 0 is 6 into A. Mass of whole system 4 plus 2 6. So 40 is 6A and acceleration is 20 by 3 meter per second square. Now consider next question. Next question is two blocks are given. Block A is with length with mass 2 kgs and second block has mass 5 kgs. Find acceleration and tension without using pen. So we know there will be 0 Newton and it will be 5g sine 37. 50 to 3 by 5 7a. 150 by 5 is 7a. 30 by 7 meter per second square, which is acceleration. Now tension is like this. 150 by 5, which is 30, minus t is 5 into 30 by 7. So 30 minus 150 by 7 is tension by taking LCM. 7 210 minus 150, 60 by 7 Newton. Find acceleration and tension without using pen and paper. So this here will be 50 sine 53. Here it will be 50 sine 37. साइन जितना जितना वैल्यू घटती है उतना बढ़ता है, तो ये बड़ा होगा इससे. So 50 sine 53 minus sine 37 is equals to 10 into A. 50 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5 is equals to 10 into A. 50 by 5 is 10A. So acceleration is 1 meter per second square. And tension, let's consider it as acting upwards. 50 10 40. 40 minus t is 5 into A. 40 minus t is 5. Tension is 35 Newton. Now consider this is question. Now if this 10 kg block is moving downward with acceleration a1, so find the acceleration. Find acceleration of both the blocks and also tension. Now consider 100 is acting 100 Newton is acting downward. If this is T, this is also T, and here it will be 2T, here also 2T. So 100 minus T is equals to 10 even. That's it. Let it as becomes it is moving upward with A2. Then 4T minus 10 is A2. Now here the variables are 3 and equations are 2. Variables A1, A2 and T. For the next equation we have to use constraint motion. That's why I have already taught you before. So by using constraint, the equation is minus a2 minus a2 minus a2 minus a2 is equals plus a1 equal to 0. So a1 is equals to 4a2. This is equation 3 by using constraint. So a1 from first equation, that is 100 minus t, is 10 a1. So a1 is 100 minus t by 10 is a1, and similarly a2 is 4t minus 10. By using this, a1 is equals to 4a2. This can be written as 10 minus 10 t by 10 a1. So 10 minus t by 10 is equals to 4 into 4t minus 10. So 16t minus 40 into t into is equals to 10 minus t by 10. So 10 minus t by 10 equals to 16t minus 40. So by converting into this, 100 minus t by 10 plus 16t plus 40 is equals to 0. 50 plus 50 plus 26t by 10 is equals to 0. So 26t by 10 is equals to minus 50. So t will be minus 500 by 26 Newton. Minus is due to we have taken the sign opposite. So for now that is enough. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you got some concepts, and like my video, subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Thanks again. Bye bye.